Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village, and today we're making Albondigas soup. Okay, since Albondigas means meatballs in Spanish, we're going to put together the meatball mixture now. So you can use, as I say, ground beef or ground turkey. We're going to actually use ground turkey here. You just want to add that to your bowl. Okay, just put it right in your bowl there. Set your plate aside. Then we're going to put in our spice mix that we just made. Just kind of sprinkle it over the top like that. Then we're going to add the tablespoon of chopped garlic. Now you can chop up your own, which is what I usually do, but you can also get this great minced garlic already that's preserved in olive oil, so great flavor to it. So you get a nice tablespoon of that. It's going to give the meatballs a wonderful flavor. And I like to use a lot of garlic in mine, so a little over a tablespoon would work for me. And then what you want to do is use a half a cup of rice in here. And this is going to cook in the broth for the soup. So just about half of this for this recipe. It's about a half a cup or so. And then we'll get ready to mix this up, and I'll show you how to do that. Want to get the rice really incorporated, all the flavors incorporated in there.